Hey everyone out there, it's your favorite sky guy here. It's Brandon Rice coming with you some new footage right here. Got it just today, being November 8th on a Sunday. Got extremely lucky to get this footage here, everyone. I really did. Didn't even notice it first until I was studying over the footage. I thought it was a meteorite at first or something, comet. But then again, it starts moving very strangely. I seen it kind of break up in pieces. I thought it was breaking up in pieces, but the more I looked at it, the more I noticed it's slowing down. And you're going to see that at the very end, especially with the slow motion and stuff. Hey, if you're new here, hit that like or subscribe button. Or leave a comment. I love your comments. I always love everyone who comments, as I get to know your thoughts and theories on what we're seeing in the skies. I truly appreciate that. But hey, I'm going to let everyone go right now. I'll catch you guys on the flip side, and I'll see you down in the comments.